What's up, you guys? This is Mr. Center from the South. Yes, South with an F. Guess what? The 30-day vegan challenge is over. The challenge is over, but I'm going to continue on becoming a vegan because I love what it's doing for me, my body. I love the way it's making my skin glow. I love the way it's making my body feel. I have had to end up buying some more clothes just to wear around the house because who's going somewhere right now? Nobody. But anyway, so I'm going to continue on with it. I've noticed that I had a lot of toxin in my body from eating meat. I realized that in these 30 days. And I was barely going to the bathroom, and I know that wasn't healthy. That's why I know that was some of the reason why my stomach would be bloated sometimes. But y'all, I might be too much information, but I'm going to say it anyway. I was going to the bathroom at least 2 to 3 times out of the day. And for me, I was clapping. Like, because usually I wouldn't go to the bathroom for 2 to 3 days. And then have to take something to make myself go to the bathroom. But anyway, enough of that. I want to get into this video and show you guys what I had for the last week of the 30-day vegan challenge. But before we get into this video, you guys, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get into this video, you guys. So these were some of the things that I snacked on throughout week 4. Some fruits and hummus. I made a pineapple teriyaki tofu bowl, which was really delicious. I'm gonna have the recipe for that in the description if you guys want to try that. I made some plant-based chicken nuggets with mixed veggies, a loaded baked potato with some veggies. This is just some of the things that I had between lunch, brunch, or dinner throughout week 4. Made a spin-off of the Taco Bell Crunchwrap, which it was a vegan Crunchwrap. I was shocked at how it came out. It was really good. Meatless Double cheeseburger. Everything was all vegan. Vegan mayo, vegan cheese with some cauliflower onion rings. Chickpeas with spinach, squash, zucchini, sautéed peppers and onions. Kale and spinach with sautéed peppers and onions with some air fried sweet potatoes. Veggie Alfredo with cauliflower noodles. This was a tuna alternative wrap made out of chickpeas, along with berry kale smoothie and some veggie chips. And this completes week 4 of the 30-day vegan challenge.